What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for clicking on today's video. We are always happy and excited to have you guys watching our videos. Kindly subscribe if you're not yet subscribed. Remember to give the video a thumbs up and also leave me a comment in the comment section. Let me know which gown on this video is your favorite and why is that gown your favorite. You can also hit that notification bell so that you're notified each time we upload a new video.
Gotta focus on yourself, on your faith, on your dreams, on your mind, on your health, yeah. You gotta work, never tell, keep your head down.
So in today's video, as we get to have a look at these beautiful gorgeous gowns, we're also gonna give you a few tips on how to make a plain gown stunning. Having a simple one color gown that fits well but could use a little bit of a lift, whether it's adding some sparkle, creating a dramatic hair and makeup look, or even altering hem, it's actually pretty easy to dress up a plain dress, and we're gonna be giving you tips to boost your own gown's potential.
I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Something fake to you now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Turn this room, turn it to an ocean. Let me float around. Eyes closed, like we're dreaming even when we're not. You and me got a whole other meaning, yeah, I don't.
So the first tip is to add a jewelry costume. It's amazing what a piece of jewelry can do. Add a statement necklace to your dress, whether it's a 16-inch necklace featuring wide stones and resin pieces, or long strands of gold and silver, or slip on a wristful of bangle charm bracelets and a huge cocktail ring, and watch your outfit suddenly shine.
I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Something fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. We can do nothing at all.
Another tip is to get creative with a brooch. An artfully placed jewel brooch can add a little bit of sparkle to your dress in an instant. You can pin it at the waist of your dress, on the bust, or on a wide shoulder strap to add detail where there was none before.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Something fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you.
You can also make a boring dress glamorous by having or carrying a bright bag, and let a standout bag be the focal point of your ensemble. Carry an oversized sparkle encrusted clutch, a bejeweled purse with a chain strap, or a brightly colored purse to give your plain dress a You can also go all out with your hair. As far as your outfit goes, a fabulous updo can mean the difference between boring and brilliant. Skip your everyday loose style and create a curly updo, crimped hairstyle, or a braided look. A vintage hat with netting that coyly covers your eyes, a jewel headpiece wrapped around your updo, or even 60s inspired flower crown overflowing locks can make your outfit even more stylish. And lastly, you can experiment with a belt. If your dress has a defined waist, whether it's empire or at your natural waist, add a belt. Try wide or skinny belts, elastic, or tying a silk scarf into a cute bow. Guys, thank you so much for watching today's video. I'm super excited. I hope that this video is gonna be helpful to you in one way or another. Kindly hit the subscribe button if you're not yet subscribed. Kindly leave me a comment in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you're notified each time we upload a new video. And guys, thank you so much for watching, and I hope that I'll be able to see you guys on my next video.